If you're not starting a YouTube channel right now, you're missing out on one of the biggest opportunities out there. It will never be as easy and cheap as it is right now to start a YouTube channel. Even after all these years, YouTube is still the place to be. And today, I'm going to explain exactly why starting now is not just a good idea, but potentially life-changing. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts that give actionable advice for free. Isn't it too late? First, let's address the elephant in the room. You might be thinking, isn't YouTube oversaturated? There are millions of channels out there already. And yes, YouTube has over 2.5 billion monthly active users. But here's the thing, there are also more viewers than ever before, and they're constantly searching for new content in every imaginable niche. Whether it's learning a new skill, finding entertainment, or solving everyday problems, people turn to YouTube. If you have knowledge, a passion, or even a fresh perspective, there's an audience waiting for you. Easier and cheaper than ever before. Another reason to start now is the rise of AI and automation tools. There are apps that can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, edit videos, and even create thumbnails. These tools save time and lower the barrier to entry, making it easier than ever to start and maintain a channel. Here's a quick overview of how you can use AI tools to automate the entire process. For coming up with ideas, you can use vidIQ and ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT to script videos. For creating voiceovers, you can use 11 Labs. For generating images, you can use Leonardo AI. For video editing, you can use CapCut, which is constantly adding new and better AI features. You can use Submagic to generate subtitles. You can also use all-in-one platforms like InVideo or Pictory, which handle everything from coming up with ideas to creating the final video in literally minutes. Every single one of these tools is getting better and better. I remember when 11 Labs first came out and the voiceovers sounded impressive, but they were still quite robotic. But now, it's gotten so good that I struggle to tell between an AI voice and a professional voiceover. And that goes for all the AI tools that I've talked about. It's insane, but it's insane good for you. Instead of having to spend hours manually creating videos yourself, or paying crazy amounts to freelancers for each part of the process, you can just use these tools, which are pretty affordable right now. And I'm not sure how long they'll stay affordable. As these tools get more and more established, I think we'll see price increases a few years down the line. So now is the best time to lock these tools in and get started with your YouTube channel. Going faceless. Another great benefit of these AI tools is that not only do they make it easier for you to create and upload videos if you have a personal brand and you're on camera, but they also give you the option to go faceless. You can literally clone your voice in 11 Labs and use AI images and footage to create a faceless video on the days when you don't have time or you don't want to be on camera. Or you can even just go completely faceless. Faceless channels are incredibly versatile. You can focus on niches like tech reviews, top 10 lists, storytelling, tutorials, or motivational content, all without needing to be on camera. This opens up opportunities for people who might have thought YouTube wasn't for them. Plus, faceless channels are scalable. Once you figure out what works, you can outsource parts of the process like script writing, editing, or voiceovers, making it easier to focus on growth. YouTube keeps growing. Now, here's what makes this moment particularly exciting. YouTube has evolved to make starting a channel easier than ever. Features like YouTube Shorts let you create bite-sized content that can go viral quickly, while regular videos help you build deeper connections with your audience. And here's another reason why starting in 2025 is such a great idea. YouTube is more than just a video platform. It's a search engine. People use it to look up solutions, ideas, and entertainment, just like they do on Google. Because YouTube is owned by Google, videos often show up in search results, giving you another way to be discovered. By creating content tailored to what people are searching for, you can grow your audience even faster. Also, YouTube's monetization options are better than ever. Of course, there's ad revenue, which kicks in once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, there's another way to get monetized, and that's by getting 10 million public views on your shorts in the past 90 days. That's 2 ways instead of just one to get monetized, and that's just the beginning. You can earn through channel memberships, super chats, merchandise, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and more. And you don't have to wait to monetize. You can start with affiliate links or partnerships right from the start, even with a small audience. What you need to know before starting. Let me be honest with you. You won't get 1 million subscribers and start making money overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. The great thing is, you don't need expensive equipment or a studio to start. The most important thing is the value you bring to your viewers. Whether you're teaching them something new, helping them solve a problem, or simply making them laugh, your content is what matters most. Now, let's talk about the algorithm because, let's face it, it's a big part of YouTube. The algorithm rewards channels that keep viewers engaged. This means focusing on things like watch time, click-through rate, and viewer retention. The more people watch and interact with your content, the more the algorithm will promote it. You don't have to be a tech genius to do well. Just focus on making content that's helpful, entertaining, or inspiring, and the algorithm will eventually work in your favor. So, why now? Because video content is the future. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram might be trendy, but YouTube is the only platform where your content has a long shelf life. A video you upload today can still bring in views, subscribers, and income years down the line. It's an investment in your future, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. In 2025, the opportunities on YouTube are endless, but they won't last forever. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to stand out. Right now, the platform is growing, and new niches are emerging all the time. Whether you're into tech, fitness, cooking, gaming, or something completely unique, there's room for you. But the window of opportunity is only getting narrower as more people realize the potential of YouTube. So, what's stopping you? If it's fear of failure, know that every creator feels that at the start. If it's a lack of time, remember that even posting 1 video a week can make a difference. And if it's self-doubt, let me remind you, everyone has something valuable to share, including you. Here's your action step. After watching this video, take 10 minutes to write down 3 video ideas. They don't have to be perfect, just ideas you're excited about. Then pick one and start planning your first video. Don't worry about making it flawless. Just start. Because the only way to succeed is to take that first step. If you have any questions about YouTube automation or starting a channel, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What ideas do you have for your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.